Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to make money with Canva templates. And you don't need any skills, and you also don't need any money to get started with this method. Let's jump straight into this tutorial and show you exactly how you can make money with Canva templates. Okay, so as you can see, we've jumped across to canva.com. Now, Canva is a totally free site that you can actually create various images, and we want to actually look at the templates here and how you can actually make money by actually creating templates for people then selling them to people who require them. So let's have a quick look at how it's sort of going to work. Like I say, you'd come to canva.com, set up a free account, and then just click on the templates here. You get the drop down here, and this gives you loads of different things of templates that they can actually do. Business cards, invitations, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, YouTube channel art, that sort of thing, infographics, worksheets, certificates, loads and loads of different ideas here for templates that you could use to actually sell to businesses and entrepreneurs. Okay, so we're going to search for YouTube intro, okay, and we'll search for that. And as you can see, it comes up with various different templates now for a YouTube intro. So just having a look at this very, very quickly. If we choose this template here, as you can see, that then opens up. This is all literally customizable, so you literally just you could just put welcome to Martin Burt online. You could actually pull this out even further, and then you can play it. So there we go, you've got stuff in the middle there. You could also have this flying in. We'll go in a little bit more into depth how you can actually do this further in the video, so stay tuned. But what I'm going to do now, once you've created these, where you can actually go and sell them. So if we come across to a site called Etsy, and I've put in here YouTube template, and as you can see, there are loads of people here actually selling YouTube templates. So this one is YouTube branding kit, editable banners, intros, etc. Another one there, minimal YouTube banner. So as you can see, these are very sought after. I'm going to show you a little bit later how you can actually go and 10x your sales on Etsy as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But let's just have a look at this a little bit closer. As you can see here, this lady here, she has got reviews, 464 reviews, and she charges £9.06 for her editable YouTube branding kit. Okay, now this is all a digital download, guys. So you haven't, once you've created it and uploaded it to Etsy, then basically this is going to be free for them to download and edit, and you won't have to actually send out any products because it's a digital download. So it's near enough a set it and forget it actual income stream here. And if we actually click on actual listing itself, all her reviews here, guys, so she's got lots of 5-star reviews, and this is obviously going to help her actually sell even more products as well of this template. It basically says here, as you can see here, the delivery is instant download. Your files will be available to download once payment is confirmed, and they do not accept returns, exchanges or cancellations. So again, once they've actually got this, their actual effort to deliver it and the customer service is zilch. They really haven't got to do anything else. How can you then obviously 10x your sales? Well, quite simply, there are loads of different templates you can use. We go across to our actual shop on Etsy. As you can see, if we scroll down, there are loads of other different items, all my items. So you've got the branding kit here. You've got another editable branding kit, YouTube. These are business cards. So if people are in business, they probably want a business card as well. And you obviously got a thank you card, another business card there, an Instagram highlight template. So again, if they're on Instagram rather than YouTube, you obviously can target them as well. There's a thank you card there. There's a St. Patrick's Day social media flyer. Well, that's even very up to date. That is, because that's St. Patrick's Day was only a few days ago. So that's pretty new to them there. And again, she's open and in her sales as well, because she's got on the image here, edit in Canva. So that's easily done. And again, there's a thank you card there, more thank you cards, scan to pay templates. If they've actually got a shop, then obviously I can download this template. So it's endless, guys, you see. This lady has obviously really done well on these. And as you can see from her sales, she's actually had 5,700 sales. And she's at a 5-star rating. If she was selling at even just £5 per item as an average, then she's still going to be earning over £25,000 for the business on Etsy. So let's just show you how you can then expand this business even more and make even more money. You could then go over to a site called Fiverr, and you could get, again, a free account on Fiverr, and then you could start actually selling gigs on Fiverr, where you're actually gonna I will design a YouTube video template in 24 hours. And again, these are starting from £7 or £8. And again, you could then make sales actually doing the making the actual thumbnails, individual thumbnails for these clients as well. So this is obviously going to take you a little bit more time because they're going to be individual orders, but you can actually charge a lot more. Some people are charging £30, £31, £15, and if you can obviously add in other things such as a quick delivery, which people will pay even more for. So as you can see, you could expand this business from a simple little template right up to a business that could even work you a full-time living, guys. So let's quickly jump back over to our YouTube intro. Our YouTube intro here. And if we wanted to do different bits and pieces here, we could make it even better. So we can animate it to this bit of writing here. So if we wanted it to even bounce in, things like that. And as you can see, very, very easily done. As you can see as an intro, that could be great. You can obviously shorten this, you could lengthen it, you could put other images in here. If you wanted to, if I wanted to put an image of me, the uploads, you can upload media. So if I went to my desktop and wanted to say this image of me, I could just add that in. Takes a few seconds to add in. I can click on it. We can put the image up there, literally like that, and we can animate it. So if we wanted it to fade, could have it tumbling in. So various different ways. So there is our YouTube intro, and there's various things you can change here. Obviously you can change this background. You can change anything on these templates. So that is how easy it is to actually make these templates. Now, when you actually go over to the templates, as you can see here, there's various different things here. You've got a little crown here, which means it's a pro template. So if it's a pro template, then that's not a problem. You obviously can't use that, but if you wanted to use it, Canva's pro account works out. If you actually get it for the first 3 months, it actually costs you just cost you 50% off, which is just over £5 per month. If I was just to sell one of these templates on Etsy, I've actually got my money back for my pro account. So that you could very easily start spending and upgrade to the pro account, which will give you even more templates to choose from that you could then go and obviously edit and sell. So as you can see, this is very, very simple to do. All you've got to do is obviously go and create an account on Canva, and then create a account on Etsy or Fiverr, but preferably Etsy is going to be your best way because it's going to be more passive, your income. And then you just go and create a listing to sell on Etsy, and you just literally follow the process on Etsy. Very easy to do. Make sure you add in images and videos, and obviously use keywords when you're actually doing your listing. So editable YouTube branding kit, YouTube banner, intro, end slate, template, Canva template, etc. So again, use the keywords, and obviously in the highlights, make sure you're telling people it's a digital download, and it'll be a digital file, one PDF. That's all you're giving them, and then you're just giving them links to go and actually grab the templates off of Canva. Very, very simple. You could start this today with with zero income and zero skills, guys. This really is one of the easiest ways to start a side business using Canva templates. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Also, make sure you watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more ideas on how to make money online. And also remember to hit that notification bell too. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.